see that it is 6.3. And what we are predicting is 6.9. So which is very near to the actual value. Okay. So my whole intention to show this workbook is that, of course, R-square is a statistical parameter to judge a model. But activity cliff that we have removed from the data warrior is also important because they are deviating the results to a certain level. This might not be true in all the cases. Of course, you need to go with the experimental data. You can do the validation of multiple instances and do the hands-on on such kind of an experiment. And then you will analyze that what kind of fingerprint is good. So as I said that there are multiple options available. There are fingerprints of 2048 bits. There are fingerprints of 167 bits. There are different descriptors which are available. Then what works good for you is only you are the judge for that. So you can do the experiment, see what works well, and ultimately you will be able to identify the representation for your problem. So that was from my side.
Participants, if you have any queries, please ask. Madam has already shared the Python notebook with us, and ma'am is saying that she'll share the data files also. So today in the lab session, we can just float this Python notebook to you as well, so that if you want, you can practice along with it. Because I think, ma'am, we have skipped the recording of that where you were explaining the Python notebook because we changed the host of the meeting, and because the computer changed, we skipped the recording actually. So I won't be able to provide the recording of that Python notebook explanation to the participants, but yes, for practice it will be shared. So participants, if you have any queries, please go ahead.
Questions or any queries, I'll be happy to answer. You can use this worksheet for your hands-on session. I'll provide all the data. To work on RDKit descriptor because the function is already there. You just need to call it just like we called ECF before.